Platinum against US dollar. This week dropped in value after the price has reached this resistance level 1017. The price dropped down in value, reaching the first support level 985.84, making a bearish breakout. We can see that, but could not stay below, continued to rise in value, then returned back down and stayed here right at this support level, which is a demand zone for the price. The week has closed as a bearish candle, we can see that, so the price could not make too much decisions going above or below compared to the previous 2 weeks. Month has closed as a bullish, and it is a bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting further rise in value for the price, but we'll see what happens on the lower time frames. What we can see that the monthly time frame is jumping between 1033.42 and 895.14. These are the levels for the price that are very important, and the price is bouncing for a very long time between them. And we can see that it has started in 2021 on 1st of August. Now, the weekly time frame shows me that the price is between this resistance and the support level. So we'll need to wait until the price makes a bearish or bullish breakout, especially visible on the daily time frame, and we can see that here. We need to see the price going above or below support and the resistance levels. We can see that here. So the price is in a range area between these 2 price levels, which needs to be broken in order to determine where the price will go in further. But monthly time frame was showing us this strong bullish engulfing candle. These candles has formed that bullish engulfing candle, and then we can see the price is currently bouncing between these 2 price levels. We need to see how the price behaves, and especially I will share the details every day with the traders inside my trading community on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. For now, I'm also sharing the free PDF. Inside this PDF, you will see how to create this support and the resistance levels and supply demand zones, which are very important, and you need to also modify them each time whenever the price has changed the sentiment around them, so you can also modify and adapt to the market conditions. This is very important. This PDF will be shared on the link below in the description, so you can check if you would like to get that, check it and receive it inside an email. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.